Welcome, in front of me is REALME Neo GT5, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Wi-Fi isn't working on your phone. So the first thing is opening the quick settings menu by sliding down from the top of the screen, and here just toggle the Wi-Fi by tapping on it once, then turn it on once again and see if this fixed the problem, and if it doesn't, then go to your networks, select more, then select the network you're connected to and forget this network, and then reconnect to it. Let me enter the password. Once you do that, check if the network started working for you, and if it didn't, then you should restart your router and also your phone. You can start from your phone, and then if it doesn't help, restart the router. So to restart your phone, hold down the power key and the volume up button for a second, then select restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. Okay, and just as I said, if the restarting of the phone didn't help, restart your router and let it reconnect to the network, and then retry again. The next thing that you can do, if this didn't help, is to go to System and Update, go to Software Update, and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do, take your time to install them, restart your phone again, and then see if this helped. And if it didn't help, then the last option that usually helps is opening System and Updates, going to Backup and Reset Phone, then selecting Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Click Reset, and after that you have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network again. Let me enter the password again. And after that, your network should be fixed, Wi-Fi. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.